ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 42 ಕನ್ನಡ.
I think in 1962 a small trust was founded by Janab Nabi Sharif Sahab. He was one of the leading philanthropist figure of Ramnagara town. And since 1962, the trust became an engineering college in 1980, thanks mainly to Janab Nabi Sharif Sahab, and also another very legendary person in educational field, Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahab. Because these two great personalities, unfortunately, who are no more, they laid the foundation for an institution of such an eminence today that every student who studies here and passes from the portals of this college feel very proud to be a Gausia Engineering College product. And I'm sure that once you complete your course here and pass out of the portals of this great academic institution, you will be, they can say, shining example who are likely to change this world for a better place. In fact, I always consider the objective of life, or the objective of every human endeavor, is to make a difference and to make a change so that we can make this world a better place to live. Towards this endeavor, towards this task, in fact, human beings right from stone ages have been struggling. Right from stone ages, people are, or I can say every human being is struggling hard to ensure that this world becomes a better place. And in that journey of civilization, I can say, great personalities, great people, they have done a lot of hard work, a lot of commitment to innovate things and make this world a better place to live. In fact, imagine a life, say about 100 years back or 200 years back. We never had the facilities what we have today. In fact, I came from Bangalore to this place, Ramnagara, in just 45 minutes. Otherwise, say 100 years back, it would have taken days to travel from Bangalore to Ramnagara. But I think today, because of innovations, because of those hard work and those sacrifices, today we have very good life. In fact, the distance is nothing today. In fact, we do chatting sitting here to our American relatives and friends, and even people in Europe also we chat like just like we are across the table. So that is how people have, I can say, the human endeavor has made this life a better place. And towards that end, it is now, I can say, the contribution, if you see, just look back, say about 250 years, what contribution engineers have done. It is the engineers, basically, people who are bent of technology, who are having passion for technology, passion for innovation, that they have made this much difference. And I'm sure all of you who are here today are going to be those catalysts, and they are going to make those, become those change makers when you pass out of the portals of this great institution. But these dreams, we have to fulfill these dreams, and if we have to fulfill these dreams, we have to live. We should not die. It's very important that we should live. Okay, we cannot take our dreams to our graves. So it's very important that we should live. So if we have to live, then we have to follow all the traffic rules, particularly youngsters when they are on the road. If you are driving two-wheelers, kindly wear helmet. If you are driving cars, please wear seat belts and ensure that you follow all the traffic rules, and not only be safe but also ensure the safety of others. Because since a lot of people have that penchant for donating blood, Okay, if you are donating blood or donating your life, it is for some good cause. It should be for nation or for society, not under the wheels of a lorry or a truck. Okay, that is utter waste of life. So kindly ensure that you follow all the traffic rules and most importantly leave to see that you fulfill all your dreams and make a difference in this world and achieve whatever great things you want to achieve in this life. So thank you very much once again, and I hope that the golden jubilee, that is 4 or 5 years down the line from Gausia Engineering College, I will be invited. Even if I am not invited, I will come, because I want to see the great institutions completing 50 years and that legacy which can continue forever. So thank you once again.
News 42 Kannada.